Hi, welcome back, Britton Farm Homestead. Today we are going to try to root some trees. First we're going to try this weeping willow right here. Alright, so I chose this limb here. And as you can see, I've split it all the way up to here. And I'll take this part, put it in the bag of water, duct tape the bag of water here, and just let this sit in the water in the bag. And from what I've read, it should take root in that bag and start growing roots. And then I would cut the limb here and then go plant it in a pot or outside or wherever you wanted to put it. But we're gonna try it and just see if it works. I don't know, I've never tried it, but it looked pretty neat and I want to see if it works. But I just took a knife and split this limb right here. And then we're gonna put this in a bag of water, like I said, duct tape it to the tree here and just leave it. And hopefully this will sprout roots in that bag of water. Okay, so after a lot of trouble, because I don't have 5 hands, I don't know why God didn't make me with 5 hands, but I don't have 5 hands, so it's really hard to hold a branch in the bag with the water in it, duct tape it, all that good jazz. And then I finally get it up there and a freaking hole gets in my bag. So now I've got to go get another bag to fill it with water and try this again. Okay, so now I'm back. I got a Ziploc bag this time. It's a little bit sturdier than the bread bag I had, but I wanted to reuse the bread bag. But as you can see, we have, I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me put you through the trees here. We have put that branch down in the bag that I split off, and there you go, you can see it pretty good right there. We stuck the branch that I split down in the bag. We duct taped it to the tree. The video I watched, I think they were using zip ties, but I didn't have any, so duct tape's gonna serve the purpose. But in the video, it showed within 5 days the roots had started on the tree that they were trying to root like this. We'll see how it goes. But like I said, I just chose this branch because it's a nice size for if this grows roots. I will cut it off right here and then just plant this. And it's a nice straight limb here that I can just cut right there, put in the ground, and go with it if this actually works. I hope it does. We'll see. I'm doing the experiment about splitting a limb on a tree or bush and putting a bag of water and putting part of the split limb down in the water to see if it would bring up roots. So I tried it on this willow tree back here. It's turned out great. I'll show you what's going on. So we'll go in here, and here's the bag. I just split this limb, if you can see. I split it right here, cut it, split it in half, took the split part, put it down in this bag, and I duct taped it around the tree. So I don't know if you can see, but do you see those little roots in there? That's pretty amazing to me. I had my doubts that this would work, but it is absolutely working. Those little roots are in there. So we're gonna leave it a while longer. Maybe it'll put on more roots, or those roots will get healthier. But once that happens, we will cut this limb right here, and then we'll just plant that. This is a great way for you to save money, and if you know someone with bushes or plants that they would be willing to let you do that to. But I'll keep you updated. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get all the notifications when we put out a video. We came out to look at this limb that I have in this bag right here that I split in half, growing the roots so I can cut it off, put it in a pot, and then I'll have a willow tree like this one. It's worked out great. To show you what's going on. In the previous video, I showed you that I split this limb. I took part of it and put it in this bag of water. It is now growing roots like crazy. It's even got some little leaves in there. You can see that. But it's just growing right along in this bag of water. So now all I would need to do is to snip this here and then plant this in dirt, and it should be fine. And this limb is this little limb right here that I would be planting in the dirt. But it's worked out great.